What's up guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to open or set up your Tonkeeper wallet. So how do we exactly do so? Well, first things first is you want to install the Tonkeeper mobile app, which in this case you can find this on Google Play Store. So search for Tonkeeper, install this, and go ahead and open it up. Now, you have two options here for creating your account. So, in this case, if you already have an existing wallet before, we could go and click on import existing wallet. But since we want to open up or set up a new account here or a new wallet, let's go and click on create new wallet. Now, from here, we need to create a passcode that we could use for our Tonkeeper wallet. So, in this case, make sure to remember your passcode here. So, let's go ahead and choose or create our passcode. The next page, you want to go ahead and confirm or re-enter your passcode. The next page, you go ahead and basically allow notifications. So go ahead and click on enable notifications if you want to. Click on allow, and you want to go ahead and start customizing your wallet. So go ahead and choose your icon as well as the color that you want to use for it. Let's go ahead and click on continue. And as you can see, we've just set up our Tonkeeper wallet. Now, if you want to start managing your wallet, you go and click on Tonkeeper at the very top here, and you should be able to see your wallet. So you can go and click on it and use that wallet. Now, if you want to go ahead and basically create a new wallet, go ahead and click on Tonkeeper again, click on Add Wallet, and choose the new wallet option here if you want to create a new one. So, yeah. Now, by the way, if you want to back up your recovery phase, just in case you lose access on this one, you can go and click on back up, or in this case, in the finish setup option, click on back up wallet recovery phase, click on backup manually to see your recovery phase. But in this case, that's about it. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. And thank you for watching.